facial recognition validation.
Damn.
Jesus Christ, that's Jason Bourne.
Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta give me a Thule. They catch me slipping, I swear you gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep, he wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and brody gon' slug you. Alright, what's going on, Wolfpack? It's Matt Wolf. I'm back with another banger. Shout out to the Wolfpack, man. Listen, we at the range, me and the bros. We about to go crazy, man. I appreciate all the support. I'm a little congested, but we're gonna get straight to it, man. We're gonna run some drills, we're gonna have some fun. We're just gonna live life, man. Thanks for checking it out. Stay tuned. Hey, hit that like and subscribe button. Listen, man. Hit the like and subscribe button, bro. It's free, man. If you like the video or you like what you saw, hit the like. If you don't, then don't hit it, man. You know what I mean? But oh, yes, sir. The most reliable gun here, man. Listen. Hold on, wait a minute.
I thought you hit it with the first one. It just didn't. There, nice.
Nice. That shit was fun.
Yeah.
Holy shit! What kind of gun is that? Let me get one of those.
Oh my god, that was awesome. Try doing that twice in a row.
Hey, look, that's one of the 44 Magnums, isn't it?
Oh man. Nah, I need bullets.
What's that right there? Oh, damn.
Get money. He got money. Get it all for him.
You know what I mean? It's the high point. Let's see if it's James, man. Let me see if it's James included.
Sometimes you just need a tap on the ass to get back in the battery.
Holy shit.
Yeah.
Bruh.
Yeah, just a little tap.
Bruh. Bruh.
I would not bring this to a gunfight, bro.
I'm bringing it to the gunfight, the cookout, everything, man.
Yo, that high point is lit though, I'm not gonna lie.
Here,
Everyone should shoot one.
Damn.
Yeah.
It's a Glock 19X. Let it marinate there for a minute.
Alright, bill drill. Here we go.
.252.
Woo! Bill drill, here we go.
Way high. I didn't aim. I heard the first ping, and I was like, oh, hold on.
Send it.
What you got there, bro?
19 secs.
Oh, damn. That's a new Glock?
Yeah.
I like it, bro.
Optic ready. Built a few. The security company I work for. You know,
Damn.
Alright, got it.
Oh, shit. Oh, the high point. Let me get closer.
Cats. I'm a dog guy. Oh wow, this thing made it more accurate. Wait. That's weird.
Where we landing at, boys? Your squad leader dropped the pin. Whew. Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta get me a Thule. They catch me slipping, I swear you gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep and wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and Brody gon' slug you. Picked up a random, ain't lane with a crew at. He just running all by himself while you do that. If you go down, man, we cannot get you back. We'll take us that money and cop us a U out. Back of the truck, ride with my pull-out. I got a shotty, I need me a loadout. Sniper from West, I know that he see us. He shot me, I'm down, man. Somebody pick me up. I got a thermal scope. Hold up, M4, got him. I fired shots, I broke his armor. He knocked me down, I came back with his karma. Thought he was tough, he turned into a jogger. She fought to his dome, man, he knows he was gone. His homie play hero, get hit with the kilo. We dropping your body, we take it to Nero. Yo, come on, wait, how you gon' take it on, man? I need me some chicken, bro, shit, I got zero. Soon as some bread, I'ma cop me a cluster. I drop a strike, let it burn like it's Usher. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. You know, shot got the sniper, no brody gon' bust him. Oh, shit, he killed me. Alright, oh, shit, I got ghoulie, Alright. Left, right. Oh, shit, he tight. Yo, he tight. I'm back, man. Soon as I land, gotta give me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear they gon' do me. I double back, dropping down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep and wake up in the ghoulie.
Oh, say less.
Where we landing at, boys? Your squad leader dropped the pin. Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta give me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep and wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and brody gon' slug you. Picked up a random, ain't lane with a crew at. He just went off by himself, why you do that? If you go down, man, we cannot get you back. We'll take us that money and cop us a U at. Back of the truck, ride with my pole out. I got a shotty, I need me a loadout. Sniper from west, I know that he see us. He shot me, I'm down, man. Somebody pick me up. I got a thermal scope on the M4. Got him. I fire shots, I broke his armor. He knocked me down, I came back, but that's karma. Thought he was tough, he turned into a jogger. He fought to his dome, man, he know be a goner. His homie play hero, get hit with the kilo. We dropping your body, we take the De Niro. Yo, come on, wait, how you gon' take it on, man? I need me some chicken, bro, shit, I got zero. Soon get some bread, I'ma cop me a cluster. I drop a strike, let it burn like it's pressure. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. You know, Shaq got the sniper, no brody gon' bust him.
Nice.
Oh, shit, he killed me. Yeah. Soon as I land, gotta give me a toolie. They catch me slipping, I swear he gon' do me. I double back, drop him down with the Uzi. I put him to sleep and wake up in the ghoulie. Homie, I see him in back of the tunnel. They camping, they shooting, watch out for the funnel. I'm out of ammo, they got me pinned down. My brody gon' flank you and brody gon' slug you. Picked up a random